How to take a picture with your LG phone. Taking pictures with an LG phone is quick, easy, and fun. To take a picture with your LG phone, first open the camera app. The photo option should be highlighted automatically. Tap on the round shutter button to take a picture. If you want to take a picture with the front-facing selfie camera, tap on the arrows in a circle on the right to swap cameras. Phones with multiple lenses will let you change the zoom by tapping on the arrow before taking a picture. Press and hold on this to choose the zoom level and zoom to the desired magnification. Some phones may have other picture/photo modes. Let's go over them. In portrait mode, the photo will focus on the subject and blur the background, also known as bokeh. Sticker mode enables you to overlay stickers and AR augmented reality layers over the photo. Panorama lets you take successive pictures with guidelines while panning the camera to the side, and the phone will stitch them together into one cohesive picture. Night view slows the shutter speed to allow more light in, to increase the brightness of a photo in low light settings. Your LG phone may have other modes as well. You can select them by swiping between the modes at the bottom, and also by going to More in this menu. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.